Well, Sumera, yes, you're right. They do have affiliation with Lehman Brothers and vice versa. But so far, the official statement that is doing rounds is that these companies like ICICI Bank, which has invested almost 175 million euros in Lehman, and the PNB, which is Punjab and National Bank, again $4 to $5 million into Lehman. SBI and SDFC, other two big banks in India, of course, have not invested in Lehman, but the banks that have are not going to be affected for now because they have said that they've received the money that they are supposed to. Also, it's important to note that Lehman Brothers has also invested in Unitech, which is another realty developer back in India, and they've invested a huge amount there. But even the Unitech says that all the money has been received by them. So so far it looks like the banks back in India and the companies that are affiliated with Lehman won't be in trouble. But of course, it's too soon to really say anything. We'll have to wait and watch as to what happens in the near future, Samara. Well, see the overall impact. Yes, yesterday we saw the markets fell sharply, but today again in an early trade they fell, but soon they recovered because the stocks that had taken a beating down had rallied in the market, and the market in fact made a very sharp recovery and ended with very few points lost. So it really indicates that Indian economy is right now trying to concentrate more on the domestic factors, and if you compare it with the other economies like the Asian economies and the other world economies, Indian economy right now is still on a better footing, and the analysts are of course saying that this is the right time for the long-term investor, the real investor, to go into the market and ensure that the stocks that are really important and the investor that has the long-term vision can go ahead and invest right now. So it could be a beginning of a new future for the Indian economy as far as this whole crisis is concerned. Again, it's a little early, but from what we've seen in the markets today, it definitely doesn't look so bad for the Indian economy, Ratna.